Now, the purpose of this app is to give you the ability to attach a order fulfillment note. Scroll down, there's a block called product notes. You click on add and test note 2. Let's attach an image to test note 2. You can also attach images. And let's go back to the product. You'll notice that you have 2 notes here. You click on previous or next, you can see both, one without an image and one with an image. And you can click on, once you click on the thumbnail, it'll expand the image. And the reason you would want to attach notes or images to any given product and relay these notes over to your order fulfillment page is, let's say you have a special product that requires special packaging or special handling of some sort, and you want to pass that information or relay that information over to the staff that's fulfilling the order. This would get passed over when a product is purchased by a customer. So let's create a mock order. You'll notice that here there's a block attached to the order, and the header is order fulfillment notes. It'll give you a disclaimer that says order on hold. This order is on hold. Acknowledge all product notes to release the hold and enable fulfillment. What it means by this order is on hold is you'll see a release hold button there that's supposed to say fulfill order. What this app does is it gives you the ability to hold and block fulfillment until each note attached to said product is acknowledged. You also notice a hold disclaimer here. It says product notes require acknowledgement before fulfillment. If you try to release a hold button, it'll release momentarily and then reapplied. And even if you click on fulfill order during that split second, it'll also block the label from being printed. So your staff is prohibited from fulfilling any order until they acknowledge all notes attached to that order or product. So if we come here, you can see both notes that I've attached to this product have a little checkbox next to them. So in order to release that hold, there's no other way other than to acknowledge each note. So you click on the first note, it says acknowledged. Go on to the second note. You'll notice that I click on the first note and acknowledge the first note, but the hold is still here. The reason for that is because I got to acknowledge both notes that are attached. Now you notice the order hold is gone. Now I can fulfill this order. We've also added a feature just in case you have multiple employees. In a real world scenario, you have multiple employees usually fulfilling orders. And the first employee has acknowledged the notes, but then let's say the shift ends and that employee does not fulfill this order. And a new employee the next day comes and takes a look at this order to fulfill it. Well, the hold will get placed here again. That way you guarantee that the second employee that's covering the new shift sees the same notes that the first original employee saw. So this basically is just a fail-safe to guarantee that all employees that are hands-on with this order fulfillment sees these notes. We've also given the ability to deactivate this feature. Let's say you do not wish to block fulfillment. You can disable that in the settings. So if you go here to the settings, all you do is uncheck these boxes and click on save. And that'll basically disable the block. And that's how this app works.